Hello everyone, welcome to the 100 Day Spanish Challenge by Touri. I'm Mark, and welcome to Day 16 of the challenge. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can find the link down below to join the challenge and follow along. Now I'm going to start by saying the word in Spanish at a normal pace, the masculine and feminine form, and then I'll break it down into syllables, followed by the English translation and a couple of example sentences. Let's get started. Number 151. Número 151. Gusto. Con mucho gusto. Goo-stoh. Gusto. Pleasure or with great pleasure. It's a pleasure to work with you. Es un gusto trabajar contigo. Number 152. Número 152. Habitación. Ah-bee-tah-SYOHN. Habitación. Room or bedroom. The master bedroom has an ocean view. La habitación principal tiene vista al mar. Number 153. Número 153. Habitante. Ah-bee-tahn-tay. Habitante. Inhabitant. It is the city with the most inhabitants in the world. Es la ciudad con más habitantes del mundo. Number 154. Número 154. Hablar. Ah-blahr. Hablar. To speak or to talk. I came here to talk about the future. Vine aquí para hablar del futuro. Number 155. Número 155. Hacer. 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 To do or to make. There are some modifications that we need to do to it. Hay algunas modificaciones que necesitamos hacer. Number 156. Número 156. Hambre. Tener hambre. 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 Hunger or to be hungry. I'm hungry, but I don't know what I want to eat. Tengo hambre, pero no sé lo que quiero comer. Number 157. Número 157. Hasta. 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 Until. I'm staying until tomorrow. Me quedo hasta mañana. Number 158. Número 158. 58. Hay. Hay. There is or there are. There is a farm on the hill. Hay una granja en la colina. Number 159. Número 159. Helado. 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 Ice cream. I would be delighted to sit and have an ice cream in the park. Me encantaría sentarme a tomar un helado en el parque. Number 160. Número 160. Hervido. Hervida. Hervido. Hervido. Boiled. How do you want your fish? Fried or boiled? ¿Cómo quieres el pescado? ¿Frito o hervido? The best way to learn this material is through repetition, memorization, and conversation. If you'd like to practice your newly learned vocabulary, Touri offers live, fun, and immersive one-on-one online language lessons with native instructors at nearly any time of the day. Check out Touri.co, or you can follow the link down below. Until next time, adios.